Another Navaratri special. We'll be making sweet moong dal chundal today.
Half cup green moong dal. Wash the green moong dal well and soak in water for about 5 hours.
We need jaggery syrup for this recipe. To make jaggery syrup, I'm adding half a cup of water to the pan. Now that the water has got hot, we are adding 1 cup of jaggery. As you can see, the jaggery is dissolving and has created a nice syrup. 2 cardamom pods peeled and pounded. The moong dal we cooked earlier. If you have excess water like I did, cook it for a couple of extra minutes. Adding roasted cashews and raisins to the mixture. Mix well. Adding some plant-based ghee. Cook for about 2 minutes. Now you can turn off the gas and add some shredded coconut. Mix well and serve warm. Enjoy the delicious Chundal. Happy Navaratri.